Hey, Martin. Yep.
Just letting him know that he's gonna beat me.
He's gonna beat you?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Hey, Matt. Yep.
It's over. It's all over. Oh wow, dude.
What's going on? Nothing much. Cleaned out my chicken yard today.
Yeah.
Mowed my grandparents' lawn.
Love and wonderful grandson you are.
Yeah, mowed
Grandpa and Grandma appreciate it.
Yeah, mowed their lawn. Mowed their lawn and yep, it cleaned up my chicken yard.
Nice. Good man.
And cleaned up my chicken yard, and that's about it.
Good. Basic house shit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ready, Jason?
Not really. You gotta record stand strike and I'll send
Yeah.
you the video. Alright. Come on, throw it straight. Right down the middle, 100 miles an hour now. Fine, hit something. Yeah. Now you got one more shot down the middle, Ken.
Yep.
Good job, Jay. And down the middle, Jay. Good job. Right here, brother. Right down.
You, my guy.
He's still in for me for a minute.
Jason says fill in for me.
Yeah. He doesn't want to admit that I'm literally beating the fuck out of him.
It's just a game.
I know. It's all for fun. I get it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'll fill in for you. Yep. Let me put these shoes on.
Right on the bell.
I gotta get more drunk before I go.
Really drunk?
Hey, Hotter Crad brother.
When I'm not here, fill in for me.
Color gray.
But you wear the blue shirt because you're the Hotter Crad brother.
I call favorite color. And at least y'all matches your shirt.
Yeah. Here we have Matt right there.
Large amount of
Yeah, I'm Jay today. Looks like my name's Jay right now.
Yeah. Wait.
I don't think I have one. You want to fill me,
really?
Bull?
Yeah.
It's recording. See, it's recording.
Of course I got to. All right, straight down the middle, 100 miles an hour. Right on the target. And what do you know? You got a strike. You're upgrading Jason's score. Get another one.
Been bowling for over 20 years.
Yeah, that's my secret.
Yeah.
They coached us well, man. Right on the middle. Yellow shirt, yellow ball. That's okay. Got one more shot.
Looks like it.
Huh?
I said looks like it.
Yeah, cubic. Oh, nice. First 6'9". First shot.
Yeah.
Bam. Direct hit. Oh, man.
Yeah, and I'm still Jay.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Jay Lee.
Yep.
Jay Lee. That's what I'll call you. Lazuli. Jason Lee.
Okay.
Green and yellow. Not bad.
Yeah. Look at videos.
Yeah. Word. Oh, spare, yeah.
Goodness Video shirts available on Etsy.com.
Good luck, Charm.
Thanks for coming out. We do this every Friday night. We turn the lights down really low and make it hard for you to see. And then we turn on these flashing lights to make it even harder. And then we play music as loud as possible. And we hope you have a great time. Thanks for coming to Northpole. See you Friday night.
Yep. Huh?
Are you Jay?
Eric.
This one's Eric.
Yeah, I had to take that guy's place right there sitting at the bar.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Eric. This one's going out to Eric.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tom 80. On lane 35 for the strike.
Ah, not bad. Go, Eric.
Huh?
Here you go.
Oh, thank Say?
The atmosphere is dead here.
Yeah, it's dead everywhere.
On Natalia with a strike on lane 21. Where'd the music go? Oh, it's just quiet for a second.
Usually it's
Oh, it's gonna get loud with it.
young ones. Especially that it's almost summer.
It's Metallica.
Oh, here we go.